Hi, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to make a conference call on Android so you can talk to multiple people at the same time. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Now, let's get started. Step 1, open the phone app on your Android device. This is the default app used for making and managing calls. Step 2, call the first person you want to include in the conference call. Wait until the call connects properly. This person will be the first participant in the conference. Step 3. Once the call is connected, tap Add Call or Contact at the top right of the screen. This option allows you to place another call without ending the current one. Step 4. Dial the second person's number or select a contact from the contact list. This step adds another participant to the call. Step 5. Tap Add to Call. This combines both calls into a single conference call. Now all participants can hear and talk to each other. Step 6, repeat the add contact steps to include more participants if needed, depending on your carrier's limit. This lets you expand the conference call easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tutorials.